27, about 10 miles, visual 27.
2927 Lindbergh Tower, wind 27014, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear land, 27, Southwest 2927.
We're 4 for number heavy, turn left at Bravo 8, taxi to spot 1 Bravo, call the ramp 129.77.
Be Bravo 9, speed bird 4 for November, and then spot 1, 129.77.
Good afternoon, Southwest 29 is on the RNAV 27.
29 Lindbergh Tower, wind 28013, runway 27, clear to land.
27, clear to land, Southwest 29.
Yeah, I got the Cirrus inside reading, Victor. Thank you, Victor, roger. turn left at Bravo 8, taxi to park, monitor ground, what's your gate?
Hi, Bravo 8, Southwest 2927, going to gate 9.
Where's that?
On behalf of this flight crew and Southwest Airlines, welcome to San Diego. Do us a huge favor, do remain seated with those seatbelts fastened, seat back and tray tables, and they're full of bright and walk position, and all those carrying items right underneath the seat in front of you. Do be careful when gathering your items in the overhead compartments. Items may shift during flight, could fall. If you're connecting here to another Southwest city, check the seat monitors for flight and gate information. If you're continuing on this flight to Dallas, stay in those original seats. We do need to count you as a through passenger, and this count is very important. So once again, stay in those original seats. As soon as we have the accurate count, you will be able to stand up, stretch your legs just level toward you. Once again, look around your seats. Make sure you have everything you came with, because once you step off this aircraft, you will not be able to come back on to retrieve an item. So once again, look around your seats, look in the seat back pockets, look for your keys, your wallets, your iPhones, iPads, Kindles, iPods, eyelashes. We have found them all, I'm telling you. We thank you so much for choosing us here at Southwest Airlines. We appreciate your business as always. Hopefully everybody will go out, have a fantastic rest of your Sunday and week ahead, and we will see you again real soon here on another Southwest flight. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, have a wonderful Sunday. And flight attendants, it's our doors for arrival. Cross check.